Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to research salaries for different countries in Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you need to do of course is go to glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you're here, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor official website where we have a lot of different options. One of them is the community, where you can go and click on the post, where you can go and post your own posts, or you can go and see other people's posts which are here. Also, you can click on jobs, where you can go and check out all the different jobs. So you can find your perfect job here, put the job name, put the location, and search for some of the jobs. You also have the companies, where you can go and find a workplace that works for you. So this, guys, is basically a new feature. And of course, if you have an employer in mind, you can go and search for a company, type the name and click search to search for that. Also, we have the salaries, where you can see, are you paid fairly? So you can find that out. We have the salaries, you can go and you put the job title in, location, and search for that. Also in the top right corner, we have profile, job activity, contributions, settings, help center, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see actually how you can research salaries for different countries in Glassdoor. So guys, it is pretty simple. One of the largest and most comprehensive sources of free salary information is the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the BLS. The BLS has salary survey that for many different positions in various industries as well as specific geographic locations. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.